Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic Lolita skirt. This is the material that you will need. A zipper, a larger lace, a thinner lace and a fabric your choice. You need to cut 2 rectangles. The total length needs to be 3 times your waist or 2 meters and 60. That size normally Lolita brands use. To make the waistband, make a rectangle with the length of your waist and the height you wish. If you don't have enough fabric to make it in one continuous piece, you can divide it by 2 or by 4. Don't forget, you need one for the outside and one for the inside. Add the interface. Don't forget, the shiny side is the side with the glue, so add the shiny side to the back of the fabric and iron it so the interface sticks. These are all the pieces you should have. Serge or zigzag stitch all your pieces. You can skip the waistband. Sew only one of the sides. Open the seam with the iron. Apply the lace. For this type of lace, you need to sew on both sides of it. Close the skirt. Don't forget, on this side leave an opening on the top so you can apply the zipper later. Serge or zigzag stitch the lace so it doesn't fray. Apply the larger lace on the bottom of the skirt. Leave a little bit of extra lace so you can finish with a better seam. Don't pull the lace, give it a little bit of a fold while sewing it so the lace doesn't get all wrinkly after a couple of wears. Fold the lace on itself. lock the lace down. Sew the lace and the hem together so the lace doesn't flip the seam over. It will be a stitch together to the lace, as you can see on the video. Here is how it should look. Take the outer piece of your waistband and divide it by 4. Take the skirt part and divide it by 4 equal parts as well. Match each of the pieces. Take a thread of a contrasting color and gather each of your 4 panels. Pull the thread so the skirt part match the waistband piece. Sew it all around. Remove the thread used to make the gather. Now let's apply the zipper. Make sure that you leave 1 cm on the top. Make sure the seam where the waistband and skirt meet is folded up. Sew this side of the zipper with a zipper footer. Mark where the thread finish so you can match it on the other side. Make the exact same thing you made on the other side. close the hole. This is how it should look. Now let's apply the inside of the waistband. Sew all around. Make sure you leave 1 cm extra fabric on the bottom. Cut the corners and flip the fabric. Fold the bottom seam inside 1 cm and finish how you want it, by hand or by machine. This is the finished look.